case. Are you working?
Yeah, I'll take off this.
Chino is swapping out our battery charger. It kind of just died, stopped charging our battery, so we just went and grabbed a new one and put it in for us.
Pause.
Are you working? Hey. Do you work really hard? What do you need? You need some tools?
Yeah.
What kind of tools do you like?
Blue.
Blue?
Yeah.
Okay. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. You need 5 tools?
5 tools.
Hey, I love you.
Yeah, I know.
I'm going to cut out the new boat name and get that put on since we haven't done it yet. We did paint the outside of the boat and we're yet to like officially name the boat. So I'm doing the letters myself with a Cricut machine. I'm starting with some practice cuts and then I can print out the boat name and port location. So I was having a super hard time getting the vinyl to work because my transfer tape was so sticky that I couldn't peel it back off. So it was just ripping the letters up and it was terrible. I ruined a lot of vinyl. I wasted a lot of vinyl because I had already printed it out and put the transfer tape on. And so I just did a quick fix by reprinting out the letters. And then this time I use the transfer tape. I stick it down on our towel a couple times until it's a much softer stick. new lens we picked out for my camera came in, so we decided to hit the beach and try it out. I've never shot with a lens like this before, so since there's a little bit of a wave, Chino decided to get out there and see what we could see. The children wanted to help smudge the boat, so we're using dragon's blood sage. It's known to heal and protect. We found that fitting considering we are removing the old name, putting a new one on, and basically asking the gods to protect us and our vessel. So we started by just smudging ourselves and then the boat. And what we are doing that for is basically to remove any like bad energy or negative influence and set a positive intention for our home. Give her love. We're getting ready to leave the marina, and so we are going to do a bunch of boat projects to get the boat ready and basically head out on anchor and hopefully cross over to the Bahamas. So over the next few weeks, we'll just be working hard to get everything cleaned up and provisioned and ready to go.